Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Oh, that's good. That's good. And so, what do you have planned for today?
Nothing is special, but I have to go to get my driving license, and that's all.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice. And is it a simple process you get your driver's license, or is it quite complicated?
It's very difficult, and I have been going to the driving school for almost 2 weeks. This is
Oh,
my third week.
and so is this to renew your driver's license, so to get your new your ex- to ex, renew your expired license?
For renew the license, they get it easily. They just need to submit a medical report. But if you are getting your new license, it is very complicated.
Okay. And is this your new license?
Yes, it is my new license here in Saudi Arabia, but actually, my home country is Pakistan. So I had a license there, but in Saudi Arabia, that license is not accepted. So you have to start from scratch.
Mm. Oh, that's horrible. So you have to learn all the theory. You have to go for driving tests again.
Yes, because whenever I go there, it's very crowded. So we have to wait in queue and wait for our turn.
And so now, are you teaching online or is the schools open?
Schools are partially open, you can say, because we have to go to school. Students don't come, but we give online classes from school. There are different slots. For example, primary grade teachers go in the afternoon shift, and middle and high school teachers they go in the morning shift.
Okay, so you're not working today.
We are having our winter vacation. We don't need to go to school. So that is the reason I'm trying to get my driving license in this period of time so that my time will be saved when the schools get open.
Okay, oh nice. And when is school starting again?
17th of January is our first day because here in Saudi Arabia, we have weekends on Friday and Saturday. Sunday is our working day.
Okay, okay. Oh, so you still have a nice, like 2 weeks almost left before school starts.
Yeah.
And do you have any plans that you want to do in the school holidays besides your driver's license?
Yes, I'm going to Makkah
Oh, nice.
to perform Umrah. Yes, we will leave for Makkah on 9th of January.
Okay, I hear a lot about Makkah from a lot of people from Saudi Arabia. They will go there for the
Mm.
weekend or for like a little vacation.
Yes, because Makkah is the house of Allah, our God, and all Muslims from across the world come to perform Umrah, Hajj. The
Oh,
reason.
nice, nice. And how is the coronavirus in Saudi Arabia?
It is much better. The numbers are not increasing, and we can go outside. We can move freely. We can go to the malls. We can go to the parks.
Oh, that's nice. And when do you think you'll go visit Pakistan again?
It seems difficult to say anything related to it because it has been almost 1 year since I visited Pakistan, and I remember it was last January. In the winter vacation, I went, but in the summer vacation, we couldn't go there because of this coronavirus. And even now, we are not certain that whether we will be allowed to go in summer vacation or not.
Okay. Yes, we don't know even though they've started with vaccinations, we don't know how long it will take till everything's back to normal. Have they started with vaccinations in Saudi Arabia?
In Saudi Arabia, they announced that the vaccination will be available to all the people.
Oh, that's good. And so you were born in Pakistan. And so is the
Yes.
native language Arabic in Pakistan?
The native language of Pakistan is Urdu, which is similar to Hindi. And maybe you are familiar with
Yes.
India. India is just next to us. And Hindi and Urdu are a bit similar.
Okay, so can you speak Arabic?
I cannot speak Arabic, but I tried to learn that language because our holy book is also in Arabic. So all the Muslims, mostly, they know how to read Arabic, but not everyone can understand it. So I was trying to learn how to understand the Arabic. And one important thing is that Urdu and Arabic have similar words.
Okay, oh, that's good. Because I was wondering, because I know they speak Arabic in Saudi Arabia. Oh, okay, that's good that
Yes.
it's at least similar. Because I know English and Arabic is completely different, but at least if your
Yes.
native language is a little bit similar to Arabic.
We have some common words as well because Urdu language is, you can say, a combination of different languages. So we have some words from Arabic, Persian, Hindi as well.
Oh,
Yes.
perfect. Oh, that's great. And when did you start learning English?
In Pakistan, English is a compulsory part of our syllabus and curriculum. So we start learning it at the early age. And then there are different institutes which teach English language. I also took admission in different English language institutes, and then we watch movies and shows, we read books.
Yes, yes. Okay, so it's not like you had to learn English and on top of that learn Arabic. So at least you have a good foundation of English.